are going to learn about smart factories in the Industry 4 concepts here. Smart manufacturing is a broad category of manufacturing that employs computer integrated features. As one of the main elements of Industry 4, cyber physical systems play a significant role in the future of smart manufacturing systems. Smart factory is a highly digitized shop floor that continuously collects and shares data through connected machines, devices, and production systems. In this video, we will try to understand what is a smart factory, what makes a factory smart, and how smart factory has revolutionized manufacturing. The term also describes a highly digitized and connected environment where machinery and equipment are able to improve processes through automation and self-optimization. The benefit also extend beyond just the physical production of goods into functions like planning, supply chain logistics, and even product development. Smart factory. A smart factory is a concept for expressing the end goal of digitization in the manufacturing. The way the term is most important commonly used, a smart factory is a highly digitized shop floor that continuously collects and shares data through connected machines, devices, and production systems. And you can see from a block diagram, you have a lot of the IT devices where the data is getting collected from the production processes. In this concept, a smart factory has interoperable systems, multi-scale dynamic modeling and simulation, intelligent automation, strong cyber security, which is important since the data is getting transferred, and network sensors. The broad definition of smart factory covers many different technologies. Let us try to understand a smart factory from a video presentation.
The manufacturing industry has undergone significant revolutions. Now, the industry is entering the exciting Industry 4.0. It is a transition powered by data and automation technology that could transform every step of the manufacturing process, from the supply chain and enterprise to the shop floor and end users. The goal is to drive productivity and innovation and empower businesses in an integrated, data-driven manufacturing environment.
Asia is now occupying or has in fact taken more than half the global share of the economy. And with that, global companies have started to base not just manufacturing, but even local product development and designs within Asia in key locations, including Singapore. We do see that the need to move up the value chain for manufacturing, the adoption of Industry 4.0 concepts is going to be a lot more pervasive. For the central government, the manufacturing domain is one in which we are very heavily committed in, having committed close to about 3.3 billion Singapore dollars, which is roughly about 2 billion euros, to fund public-private partnership R&D activities between the states through agencies such as A-Star and the private sector in Singapore.
The A-Star Model Factory is an immersive learning environment which allows companies to experience and experiment with advanced manufacturing technologies before adoption on the factory floors. This is a platform for co-creation and co-development between private sector companies and public sector researchers. The Manufacturing Control Tower is the nerve center of Simtek's Model Factory. The MCT provides visibility across the entire manufacturing pipeline as data is automatically collected, integrated, and displayed through smart IoT technologies. It creates a connected, data-driven manufacturing environment that empowers faster problem diagnosis and informed decision-making. Industry 4.0 also goes beyond using data to optimize operating conditions. The Model Factory explores the creation of intelligent networks along the manufacturing chain with new technologies like industrial IoT, robotics, and augmented reality. These smart networks transform manufacturing processes like production and assembly, repair and maintenance, as well as help with effective training. For companies looking at new opportunities, new areas, and new locations in the world, Singapore is a good location to enter Asia. We are here to provide the public sector support for companies to embark on Industry 4.0. The future of manufacturing is here.
So here in this video, we saw how Singapore has really moved ahead for smart manufacturing domains. Let's look at one more video and which talks about what is Industry 4 and smart manufacturing. These videos help you through the animation. It helps you know about how smart manufacturing is changing the way industry works today.
Hi, I'm Clay Coburn. The Internet of Things touches every facet of business today, and manufacturing is no exception. McKinsey estimates that by 2025, the total economic impact of the Internet of Things within factories will be up to $3.7 trillion per year. You've probably heard of Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, and the industrial Internet of Things. These are all ways of describing the intersection of operational technology and information technology to monitor physical processes within manufacturing and use data to make predictive, corrective, and adaptive decisions to improve operational costs. Industry 4.0 refers to the fourth industrial revolution and specifically the move towards smart manufacturing. The National Institute of Standards and Technology defines smart manufacturing as fully integrated, collaborative manufacturing systems that respond in real time to meet changing demands and conditions in the factory, in the supply network, and in customer needs. Adopting Industry 4.0 requires both horizontal and vertical data integration across the business. Vertical digitalization may include manufacturing, procurement, supply chain, design, product lifecycle management, logistics, operations, and quality, all integrated for seamless flow of data. Horizontal digitalization may include data integration with suppliers, customers, and key partners. Achieving integration requires upgrading or replacing equipment, networks, and processes until you have a seamless digital ecosystem. Of course, it's not enough for your systems to be fully integrated. You also need solid data services and analytics to turn the information being generated by your systems, sensors, and machinery into actionable insights that can provide a return on investment. With the adoption of connected systems, you also face increased cybersecurity risk. This is why adopting Industry 4.0 requires close collaboration with the IT experts in your organization, working with you to implement cybersecurity best practices across your digital ecosystem. And one of the most important keys to adopting Industry 4.0 is the internal cultural transformation in your organization. This requires strong leadership that is committed to change management and investing in the necessary technology and education to successfully adopt smart manufacturing practices. All of this may seem like a huge investment, but the significant operational cost improvements often pay back the investment in just 2 years. And with Industry 4.0 practices in place, you can compete with anyone in acquiring and retaining customers thanks to your enhanced organizational operating efficiencies. I invite you to read our tech brief on this topic and talk to one of our technology experts.
So here again, we saw how smart manufacturing is being used by the industries.
About how Industry 4.0 could be implemented in your organization.
Let's look at smart factory elements and see what makes a factory smart. So we can see a smart factory at the core of it, and we have devices, we have humans, and then we have a product which is being manufactured. And then we have Internet of Things, and to be more specific, it is Industrial Internet of Things, which integrates your smart logistics, smart processes. It collects the data and does analysis with that. And we have smart applications to process this data and guide how the processes should be held here. So these are the elements of a smart factory, which any organization moving into this smart factory concept. If we look at components of a smart factory concept, smart factory is where physical production processes and operations are combined with the digital technology, smart computing, and big data. In this concept, a smart factory has interoperable systems multi-scale dynamic modeling and simulation, intelligent automation, strong cybersecurity, and network sensors. The broad definition of smart factory manufacturing covers many different technologies. So when we see the components of a smart factory, it includes automation and informationalization in all phases, that is called digitization. It believes on minimum cost and time. It also helps production of customized products. It saves the energy. It is based on smart IoT technologies. Planning, design, production, distribution, sales gets automated and more optimized. Or there is a connection of all elements in a factory. It's an interconnected factory, and there is an increased productivity, which is ultimately the goal of any production unit. So here we see a smart factory, how important it is to in the industry 4, and all it basically consists of all the pillars of industry 4, and improving the productivity and bringing the efficiency in an organization overall, bringing growth to it. Smart factory, the fact it's an ecosystem of the future. It is an application of industrial Internet of Things built with sets of hardware and software that collectively enable processes to govern themselves through machine learning and cognitive computing. Thank you for viewing this smart factory concept in the industry 4.